consequence of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has been the accelerated development of digital currencies as central banks try to encourage the use of cashless payments. Now Lithuania is leading the way with the world's first digital collector coin. Hermione Gee has this report.
The history of trade and payment has evolved through the ages, from bartering in the Stone Age to the invention of money. Coins were first used in 7th century Greece, and banknotes appeared in 17th century Sweden. Now Lithuania is starting a new era with a digital currency called LB coin. It's the first digital coin issued by a central bank anywhere in the world.
First of all, it's a numismatic coin which is commemorating 100 years of Lithuanian independence. And we thought that if we are leaping into the new centenary, maybe we should try to bridge the physical world with the digital world. And that's what it is.
The LB coin is partly a digital token and also a physical collector coin. There will only be 4,000 collector coins, making them a sought-after prize. They can only be acquired after buying the digital tokens.
The nominal value of LB coin in this physical form is 19.8 euros. And of course, this commemorates 1918 when Lithuanian independence was signed. And all these tokens that people will be able to collect, these are the tokens representing the signatories to Lithuanian independence. So if you collect a president, a priest, and a scientist in a certain combination, you will be able to buy this physical coin.